Well, dear fellows, warm welcome. Please subscribe the channel for latest updates. Today we will discuss digital media and its platforms as well as their key aspects. As you know, mass communication refers to the act of spread or communicate information to the masses or public. And mass media refers to the medium or the method employed to distribute or communicate this information. News is broadcasted through various mass media such as television channels or radio channels. So what is digital media? Digital media is any media that are encoded in machine-readable formats. Digital can be defined as any data represented with a series of digits, and media refers to a method of broadcasting or communicating information. Together, digital media refers to any information that is broadcast to us through a screen. We can say that digital media is any form of media that uses electronic devices for distribution. This form of media can be created, viewed, modified, and distributed via electronic devices. Digital media is commonly used software, video games, videos, websites, social media, and online advertising. So, what is a digital platform? Digital platforms take a lot of different forms depending on the business model they employ and the specific purposes they seek to serve. Examples of digital platforms are social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and LinkedIn. Knowledge platforms like Quora, Google, and Siri. Media sharing platforms like YouTube and Vimeo. Service-oriented platforms like Uber, Careem, and Foodpanda. Now, the key aspects of a digital platform. Another way to describe digital platforms is by talking about the essential pieces necessary to create a successful digital platform. The key aspects of a digital platforms are ease of use and immediate appeal for users. Next, trustworthiness and security means clear terms and conditions are necessary, as well as privacy protection and assurance for intellectual property and data ownership. Next, connectivity through the uses of APIs, that is Application Program Interface, that allow third parties to extend the ecosystem of the platform and its capabilities. Next is facilitation of exchanges between users, means producers and consumers. Next, providing value to the community and a function of the size of the community. It means the bigger the community, the more value the platform can provide to all parties involved. Last but not least, ability to scale without causing performance degradation. Digital transformation look different for each company because every organization has different goals in mind. But a tangible goal to seek through digital transformation is the creation of a digital platform. So that is all for today. Stay tuned for more updates.